You know what never changes, but military vehicles and weapons surely do. Further, modern technologies can bring to life the jaw-dropping guns and devices from our favorite video games and movies. And today we'll show you the most exciting innovations and technologies from the military industry. Technology 1. Rheinmetall Rosy. The Rheinmetall Rosy is an advanced rapid smoke obscurant system designed for military vehicles and naval platforms to provide instant concealment and protection against threats like laser-guided weapons, infrared targeting, and visual detection. Developed by Rheinmetall, this system deploys a multispectral smoke screen in less than a second, effectively disrupting enemy targeting systems. Key features of Rheinmetall Rosy. Instant concealment generates a dynamic smoke screen that moves with the vehicle, making it harder to track. Multispectral protection, effective against visible, infrared, IR, and laser-guided threats. Rapid deployment, activates in less than a second, creating an effective obscuration barrier. Modular system, can be mounted on armored vehicles, naval vessels, and stationary defense positions. Automatic and manual activation, can be integrated with vehicle sensors for autonomous threat response or operated manually. Use case in context. Given the user's interests in technology, tools, and outdoor equipment, the Rheinmetall Rosy could be of interest in the context of defensive military technology, advanced vehicle protection systems, and security solutions. It aligns with cutting-edge innovations in survival gear, tactical equipment, and automated defense mechanisms, similar to their interest in home security systems and automotive accessories. Technology 2. Product name Galvion's Warfighter Lab. Galvion's Warfighter Lab, located at their U.S. headquarters in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, is a state-of-the-art facility dedicated to advancing military head protection systems and related technologies. Established to address the evolving needs of modern battlefields, the lab focuses on transitioning helmets from purely protective gear to integrated solutions that enhance both survivability and operational effectiveness. The Defense Post. A key challenge in developing such equipment is translating subjective user feedback into actionable data. To bridge this gap, the Warfighter Lab employs advanced, custom-designed equipment to measure and record performance under controlled, repeatable conditions within immersive environments. This approach allows for the collection of high-quality data that reflects real-world neuromuscular responses, facilitating precise and effective product development. Soldier Systems. One notable outcome of the lab's efforts is the development of Galvion's Integrated Helmet System, IHS. Created in close collaboration with the U.S. Marine Corps, the IHS incorporates real-time feedback from multiple user evaluations. A critical priority identified during these sessions was the need for superior stability, especially when using night vision goggles. In response, Galvion's teams refined the Apex suspension and retention system, ensuring unmatched stability without compromising comfort. The Defense Post. Beyond product development, the Warfighter Lab plays a crucial role in assessing the impact of new technologies on overall warfighter survivability. By collecting quantitative data, the lab helps determine the balance between increased operational effectiveness and potential cognitive overload, ensuring that new equipment truly enhances performance in the field. Technology 3. Malloy Aeronautics T400. The Malloy Aeronautics T400 is a heavy-lift electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) designed for versatile cargo transport across various sectors, including commercial, governmental, and military applications. With a maximum payload capacity of 180 kilograms, approximately 400 pounds, the T400 is engineered to deliver substantial and challenging loads efficiently. It boasts a range exceeding 70 kilometers and a cruise speed of over 35 meters per second, approximately 78 miles per hour, ensuring rapid and reliable delivery capabilities. Wikipedia. A notable feature of the T400 is its removable battery system, which facilitates quick swaps and minimizes downtime associated with recharging, thereby enhancing operational efficiency. The UAV is equipped with redundant avionics, drive systems, and batteries, prioritizing safety and reliability during missions. Advanced technologies such as Sense and Avoid and Autoland systems are integrated to streamline operations and reduce the need for extensive manual control. Wikipedia. Malloy Aeronautics, the developer of the T400, is a British company specializing in the research and development of heavy-lift VTOL UAVs. Founded in 2013 by engineer and helicopter pilot Chris Malloy, the company has a history of innovation in aerial transport solutions. In February 2024, Malloy Aeronautics was acquired by BAE Systems and integrated into its FalconWorks division, further enhancing its capabilities and reach in the aerospace sector. Wikipedia. The T400 is part of Malloy Aeronautics' T-series of drones, which includes models with varying payload capacities to meet diverse operational requirements. The T-series is designed to provide flexible and efficient aerial logistics solutions, with the T400 positioned as a robust option for heavy cargo transport. Wikipedia. In the United States, Malloy Aeronautics collaborates with Service Engineering to market and support its UAVs. This partnership aims to deliver innovative, disruptive technologies for unmanned aircraft systems development and testing, providing new capabilities for transportation and logistics. Technology 4. Geodesign Heavy-Duty Flood Barrier. The Geodesign Heavy-Duty Flood Barrier is a robust and versatile flood protection system engineered to withstand dynamic forces and high pressures associated with severe flooding events. Designed for both rural and urban environments, this barrier system offers dam heights ranging from 1.8 to 2.4 meters, making it suitable for various flood scenarios. Geodesign barriers. Key features. Durability and strength. Constructed from high-strength galvanized steel and aluminum, the heavy-duty flood barrier is capable of withstanding strong currents, elevated water pressures, and impacts from waves and floating debris. Its resilience has been validated through rigorous testing at the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Coastal and Hydraulics Laboratory, adhering to the FM/ANSI 2510-2020 standard. Geodesign barriers. Adaptability. The system's design includes adjustable connection rods and triangular-shaped corner elements, allowing for flexible configurations to navigate various obstacles and terrains. This modularity enables the barrier to form angles ranging from 0 to 360 degrees, facilitating seamless integration into diverse landscapes. Geodesign barriers. Compatibility and extendability. The heavy-duty flood barrier is fully compatible with other geodesign barrier models, permitting tailored solutions for specific site requirements. Additionally, its height can be increased using extension modules, providing adaptability to different flood risk levels. Geodesign barriers. This flood barrier system has been effectively deployed worldwide, earning trust from government agencies and private enterprises alike. Its proven performance and flexibility make it a reliable choice for comprehensive flood defense strategies. Product 5. Product name INKAS Hudson Recon Armored Personnel Carrier. The INKAS Hudson Recon Armored Personnel Carrier, APC, is a versatile and highly maneuverable vehicle designed for surveillance, reconnaissance, law enforcement, and border patrol operations. Built on the reliable Toyota Land Cruiser 79 platform, it ensures ease of maintenance and availability of spare parts, making it ideal for deployment in remote areas. INKAS Armored. Powered by a turbocharged 4.5L V8 diesel engine, the Hudson Recon delivers 202 horsepower and 317 feet-pounds of torque, providing both efficiency and agility in various terrains. Its compact design allows for easy transport and navigation through challenging environments. INKAS Armored. The vehicle accommodates up to 8 passengers comfortably and is equipped with an auxiliary air conditioning system and exhaust fan to ensure a pleasant environment, particularly in hotter climates. For enhanced safety, it features advanced door lock mechanisms, high-quality multi-layer bullet-resistant glass, and a roof-mounted turret hatch. INKAS Armored. The Hudson Recon is outfitted with advanced surveillance and intelligence systems, including a mobile tracking and tracing system, lawful interception capabilities, geolocation tools, multiple sensors such as radar for object detection, and a high-end drone with thermal vision and unlimited flight time, tethered. These features make it a formidable asset for tactical operations requiring real-time data and situational awareness. Product 6. Product name Elbit Systems Limited. Elbit Systems Limited, headquartered in Haifa, Israel, is a global high-technology company specializing in defense and homeland security solutions. The company offers a diverse portfolio of products and systems across various domains, including airborne, land, and naval platforms. Their offerings encompass military aircraft and helicopter systems, unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, electro-optic and night vision systems, naval systems, land vehicle systems, munitions, and command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (C4ISR) systems. Elbit Systems. Regarding the Elbit Systems sectional personnel bridge, there is no specific information available in the provided sources. It is possible that this refers to a specialized bridging system designed for rapid deployment to facilitate the movement of personnel across obstacles in various terrains. Such systems are typically modular, allowing for quick assembly and disassembly, and are engineered to support the safe and efficient passage of troops. However, without specific details from Elbit Systems or additional authoritative sources, a precise description cannot be provided. Product 7. Product name BAE Systems Striker. The BAE Systems Striker is a helmet-mounted display (HMD) system developed by BAE Systems for advanced fighter aircraft, primarily used in Eurofighter Typhoon and Gripen jets. It provides pilots with crucial flight and targeting information directly on the helmet visor, allowing for enhanced situational awareness and rapid engagement of targets. Key features and capabilities: integrated head-up display. HUD displays flight data, targeting information, and sensor imagery within the pilot's field of view. Off-bore sight targeting enables pilots to lock onto and engage targets by simply looking at them, improving reaction time in air combat. Night vision compatibility works in low-light conditions, ensuring operational effectiveness during nighttime missions. Enhanced situational awareness combines data from aircraft sensors and displays it seamlessly, reducing the need for pilots to look down at cockpit instruments. Ergonomic and lightweight design ensures pilot comfort during extended flight missions while maintaining high durability. The Striker 2, an upgraded version, features full-color, high-resolution digital displays, an improved tracking system, and low-latency data processing for real-time targeting. This makes it one of the most advanced helmet-mounted cueing systems, HMCS, in modern aviation. Product 8. Product name ATE Ballistic Helmets Microlattice Helmet Pads. The ATE Ballistic Helmets Microlattice Helmet Pads, developed by Hard Head Veterans, HHV, in collaboration with Carbon, represent a significant advancement in helmet comfort and protection. Utilizing Carbon's digital light synthesis (DLS) technology, these pads feature an intricate lattice structure designed to enhance energy absorption and dissipation. This innovative design results in up to a 66% reduction in ballistic transient deformation and a 21.7% decrease in blunt impact accelerations compared to traditional foam pads. Additionally, the lattice construction promotes unrestricted airflow, keeping helmets an average of 14 degrees cooler, and ensures the pads do not absorb sweat or water, making them quick-drying, buoyant, and easily washable. Their micro-lattice helmet pads are compatible with various helmet models, including ATE, FAST, MIH, ACH, and ECH, and are available in 1-inch and 3/4-inch thicknesses. Product 9. Product name TeledyneFlir ThermoSight HIS HD. The TeledyneFlir ThermoSight HIS HD is an advanced thermal weapon sight designed to enhance the capabilities of precision shooters, including snipers and machine gun operators. Unveiled at the SHOT Show in Las Vegas in January 2024, this clip-on device integrates seamlessly with existing day scopes, mounting easily on any MIL, STD, 1913 rail interface. It offers high-definition thermal imaging that enables users to detect, identify, and engage targets at distances exceeding 2,200 meters. Army recognition. One of the standout features of the ThermoSight HIS HD is its ability to visualize bullets in flight without the need for tracers, a capability known as day trace. This feature allows shooters to observe the trajectory of their rounds, facilitating rapid follow-up shots and adjustments while maintaining concealment, as the absence of visible tracers prevents adversaries from pinpointing the shooter's location. Forbes. The device's high-resolution thermal imaging provides 4 times the clarity of existing thermal sights, enabling users to discern fine details, such as whether a target is armed, even at distances over a mile. This enhanced clarity is achieved through a cooled thermal sensor integrated with a cryocolor, which reduces sensor temperature to minimize noise and improve resolution. Product 10. Product name: TALON Medium-Sized Tactical Robot. The TALON Medium-Sized Tactical Robot, developed by Kinetic North America, is a versatile unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, designed to enhance safety and operational efficiency in high-risk situations. Since its introduction in 2000, the TALON family of robots has been instrumental in military, law enforcement, and first responder applications worldwide. Kinetic. Key features: durability and reliability. Built to withstand challenging environments, TALON robots operate effectively in adverse weather conditions, including heavy downpours, and across diverse terrains such as mountains, deserts, and urban rubble. Kinetic. High mobility. Equipped with robust track systems, TALON can navigate rough terrains and obstacles, ensuring mission success even in demanding situations. Kinetic. Advanced manipulation. The robot features a heavy-lift, multi-degree of freedom manipulator arm capable of handling various tools and payloads, enhancing its adaptability to different mission requirements. Kinetic.